ain't drunk, I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come on now,
time.
you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. Wanted to do a quick overview of one of the gallery builds that I did. It's a JJ Roto Geek, I did this one. One of the things that we do in the club is we do what we call gallery builds. Gallery builds are very, very, very good builds. Not necessarily expensive. I mean, this next one's not super cheap, but high quality builds that are detailed and just sexy, right? And then we take them and we set an auction bid of basically build cost plus 50 bucks over build cost. We put them on our Patriot Blades website, which is linked down below. And then anything that sells over the build cost goes to that charity. The charities go from the St. Jude's Children's Hospital to Semper Fi. Those are the two big ones we usually do. So even if you're not interested in buying a pre-built quad, and these are built, every one of them so far has been built by me, but I think some of the club members have really stepped up their game and maybe they'll want to start doing some as well. Nobody loses. The person that builds the bird gets all their money back. They get to play with new parts and pieces and get some more experience. Charity gets a couple bucks. No, everybody wins, and it helps the business circulation of the hobby as well. So even if you're not interested in buying a pre-built, and these are very custom quads, obviously, please try to spread the word. Maybe shoot the auction link around to your Facebooks and things like that, and try to help out. That means more to us than even buying them. You know, just getting the word out on the Patriot Blades page and everything else. So the one I want to go over with you is the Dreamsicle, which I call the Dreamsicle. This one is the Flight Club Proton Canopy build, right? Bam! Look at that. Gorgeous. Running a VTX03, a Foxeer Micro Arrow. It's got the Alpha all-in-one flight controller in there. Doesn't look like there's anything in there, but there is. 30 amp. It's an F4 processor with 30 amp BL Heli S ESCs. Everything custom made by me, obviously. The far view noodle mod antenna. I think these are doll props. Yep, the props come with it. 54 T50 45Cs, and we're slamming the Chrome Cobra Motors CP2207 2450s. Bam! That thing is sharp. It's actually tuned up and ready to go as well. If you want a receiver put in it, I will put a receiver in for the receiver cost. All you gotta do is either ship me a receiver, or however you want to do it, or you can put it in yourself. This frame is absolutely gorgeous. I love this Proton frame. It's got the built-in ISO mounts for vibration for the flight controller. It's got the milled aluminum top plate here. Awesome carbon, just absolutely gorgeous bird. So never been flown, only pop tested and tuned, and yeah, this is the one that's up for auction this week. So check it out. I'm going to put two links in the bottom of the description. One is for the Patriot Blades website, shoots you right to the auction tab, and on the auction tab you'll see it'll shoot you to eBay if you want to see how much it's going for and things like that. And the link below it is the Mrs. Roto Geek gallery pictures that my smoking hot wife does of all my birds, so you can check that out too. So if you have any questions, please let me know. It's going for a good cause. Gorgeous bird, love it. And please, like I said, if you're a member of the club, or if you're just a member of the YouTube, my channel is a family channel in the sense of we're all buddies. We all talk. If you leave me a message, I talk to you, but if nothing else, shoot the word around so people get it. So anyway, thanks, guys. Appreciate it. God bless. Bam. Keep your shiny side up. Bye.
Bam, JJ. Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ. Bam, JJ. Hope you like fishing.